Hello everyone. So how do we share our WhatsApp group chat to others? So that is through a QR code or a link. So let's know how do we get a QR code or link of any WhatsApp group on an Android phone. Okay, so what you gotta do is open your WhatsApp. Now open the group chat. So I'm opening this dear Simplifies first, and we will go to the description area by clicking on the top side and scroll it down. As you can see, I've added a link of my group chat on the description. We can get this link and QR code. So scroll it down and you will see invite via link, right? You click on that option and you will have more option. One is send link via WhatsApp, then copy link. The link will be copied and you can paste it anywhere. Now we also have way to share it. So I clicked on the first option and now I can send it to anyone on my WhatsApp. So I am sharing it to do it your way. Now this will come up a link of your group chat. You click on send and it will be shared, right? It also has a text with it. Let's go back to where were we to explore more options. So other one is share link. Then through this you can share on any app on your device: Telegram, Drive, email, Google, ChatGPT, anything. Right. Next is QR code. Once you click on QR code, you will get the QR code of the group chat, right? And you can send it to anyone by clicking on the share option beside the three dots. And three dots is just for refreshing your QR scanner if it doesn't work, right? So I've just clicked on the shared link besides the three dots and I can share this QR code to anyone, right? You can take a screenshot of this QR code for you to have it in your phone, right? And make sure you send it to the right person because this is a private, because if someone gets it, anyone can find it. And also to reset the link, if the link is not working, what you gotta do is click on reset and again click on reset link, right? That's how we do it, and you will get a new link. And let me tell you that you have to reset it time to time because after some time the link will not work. As in the description, the link I have, it does not work anymore. So I have to keep updating on it for others to know. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, tada.